Hey guys, good morning. Dave Santarelli from BreakingChartAlerts.com. What a morning we are having. A lot of price target changes, a lot of upgrades this morning. First, I want to go over Docusign here. Docusign was just upgraded this morning from, let me see here. Docusign shares are trading higher. UBS initiated coverage on the company with a buy rating, announced a 290 target on Docusign. So as you guys can see, Docusign shares are already up over 3% here in the pre-market hours. Intel was another one, INTC. Intel, UBS maintains a buy on Intel. They raised their price target to $67, which is way up here. So I expect this is going to continue to run. We have a Intel trade, and I'm going to be looking to add to that Intel trade in the coming days here. Microsoft was just upgraded this morning by UBS as well. MSFT. As you guys could see here, UBS initiated a buy rating, a price target of $243 a share. So that'd bring us back up to that resistance of around 230 to 235. I like that setting there. AutoZone, AZO. This had a buy rating as well, a strong buy rating actually, by Raymond James. Upgraded the stock to 1565. So this is getting another big pop here. This is on our watch list as well this morning. Amazon shares are trading higher this morning. The stock's seen an 80% increase in traffic to Amazon.com in the first 16 hours of Prime Day. So that's huge. Apple was another one that was upgraded this morning. Let me see this here. I have it on my notepad. Let me see. Morgan Stanley maintains overweight on Apple, which is a great rating, meaning it's going to be overperforming the market here. Raises the price target to $136 a share, which would bring us right up to that resistance area. So another one there. Workday, WDAY. This one was upgraded from sell to neutral, and they raised their price target on UBS. Well, UBS raised the price target on Workday here from 175 to 235. Shares are right around 235 now, but nice pop here in the pre-market hours on Workday. And you guys know we've been in that Workday trade. We locked in a profit on that, and that is looking great. Dunkin' Donuts there, Dunkin' Brands. Morgan Stanley raises price target to $81. DNKN. So this was upgraded to $81. Shares are already at 85. Salesforce is trading higher after they were also upgraded this morning. Salesforce was upgraded to a price target of $325 a share. And this is another stock that's moving up over 1.13% this morning already. You know, the Apple event yesterday, I think they overdid themselves. I think it was a little bit too long, a little bit too much going on there. But Apple's still moving higher in the pre-market hours. Another one here, too, that I wanted to go over is one that we've been talking about with the cyclical trend is UNH, United Healthcare. And if you take a look here, UNH, let me find that here. UNH has some unusual options activity coming in it yesterday and today. And as you guys can see, this stock's already up $3 in the pre-market, up 0.89%. We got some calls on UNH, and they are going to be looking great. We have the November 20th 340 strike calls, and I'm probably going to be adding to those. So it's looking to be a great day today. This morning, guys, let's take a look at SPY, Qs, and Diamond Quick. Still in the breakout momentum cycle. Diamond ETF. Still in breakout momentum after consolidating here for the past couple of candles, and our Qs tech is still on the climb here. So we are looking good this morning. Going to be looking for some trades on that watch list that I posted in the trade room. Another one that was upgraded today was Ferrari. So Ferrari, UBS maintains a buy on Ferrari. They raised their price target at $212 a share, as they're saying that sales are starting to pick up now that the pandemic is, getting close to being over with, I should say. Things are getting a little bit better. The economy's opened back up, so people are getting back out and buying cars again. So definitely looking good on Ferrari. Amazon, Apple, Docusign, Intel, United Health, Workday, Race, AutoZone. Those are the ones that we want to keep our eye on. And another one this morning was Bed Bath & Beyond. Raymond James maintains strong buy on Bed Bath & Beyond, raises price target at $26, BBBY. So as you can see here, this one's continuing to break out here. It's at $23 a share. They increased that price target to 26. So keep an eye on those today, guys. And I will see you guys live soon. Have a great day. God bless. Stay safe and happy trading today.